In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out when your LinkedIn account was created. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn homepage by typing in linkedin.com. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. You can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can enter your email address and password. A quick tip here, if you have multiple email addresses, make sure to use the one that's linked to your LinkedIn account to avoid any login issues. Now that you're logged in, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. Do you see your profile picture? Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu featuring various options. Today, what we're really interested in is accessing your profile page. You can do this directly from the menu you've just opened. Once on your profile page, you'll notice a slew of options. The next thing you need to do is locate the resources button. It's generally near the top of your profile page, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on it. When you do that, a new set of options will emerge, offering some insightful details about your account. What you're looking for here is an option labeled About This Profile. Select it, and a pop-up window will appear providing enlightening information about when your LinkedIn journey began. You should see the month and year you joined LinkedIn presented right there. If curiosity strikes you and you want to know the exact date you created your LinkedIn account, we'll need to dig a bit deeper. To do so, click on your profile picture one more time. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This area offers more comprehensive details about your data and how it's managed. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, navigate to the Data Privacy area. Look for an option that is labeled How LinkedIn Uses Your Data, and give it a click. Now, this will lead you to a section where you can manage your data and activity. You're getting closer to pinpointing that exact date. What you need to do now is click on Manage Your Data and Activity. This move will unveil a list of your activities and interactions since you joined LinkedIn. Head to the very last page of your activity list. Here, you will see the You Joined LinkedIn date, giving you the exact details you were after. And that's all it takes to discover when your LinkedIn account was created. Just follow these steps, and you'll have the information at your fingertips.